Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to Vocabulary Learning Series, Lesson 4. So, in this class you will learn some another words to improve your vocabulary. I hope that you enjoyed and practiced previous lesson. If you did not watch our Lesson 3, check the link in description. So, are you ready for today's class? Let's start our Lesson 4. See you soon.
Oh yes, so in today's class we have a new student. Hello teacher. I am Ben. Hello Ben, welcome to 4th class of Vocabulary Learning Series. I hope that you will enjoy this series. Yes teacher. I am very happy to be part of this class. That's good Ben. So, without wasting any time, let's start our class. Yes teacher. Of course. So, our first word of today's class is Acerbic. Acerbic means severe. Ben, will you tell me a sentence of Acerbic? Yes, of course teacher. My sentence is, the writer's acerbic tone did not sit well with people who had an issue with harsh criticism. Very good Ben. You are doing very well in your first class. Thanks teacher. Okay, so, our second word is acquiesce. And its meaning is, to accept. So, the sentence of acquiesce is, I would rather acquiesce to his demands than listen to his constantly scream. Okay teacher, I got it. Good. Our third word is acrid. And its meaning is, harsh. And its sentence is, it has a bitter, saline, but not acrid taste. Thanks teacher. Let's move towards our fourth word. And that is, acrimonious. Meaning of acrimonious is, nasty. Its sentence is, we could avoid this acrimonious situation altogether by agreeing to disagree on the issue. Thanks teacher, now I will remember. Okay Ben. Our fifth word is Acumen. And its meaning is, keenness of judgement. Ben, its sentence is, although Ali wants to become a state senator, she lacks the political acumen to win enough votes. Okay teacher, I think we should end our class now. I really enjoyed today's class. Good Ben. Now, that's all for today class. See you in next class. Goodbye. Goodbye teacher.
So, welcome back guys. I hope you enjoyed the class. Always practice these words. Be prepared for next class. See you in our next vocabulary learning class. Goodbye. And don't forget to like and share video. And subscribe to channel for more videos.